Okay, so I'm going to show you how to get your EIN number for free.
We are going to find out how you get your EIN number. So what you're going to do, you're going to come over here, type in irs.gov. You're going to come over here and you're going to apply for employer identification number. So after you hit this right here, you're gonna read this. Do you need an EIN? All this is free. Don't ever get an EIN and pay for it. Like, anyway, so basically you put in your information and you go from there. You have to understand, why you're doing it. Apply online now. And then you begin application. So after you do this, you're gonna figure out what you are. You a sole proprietor. Now say like this, all this means is that you're basically the only person in your business. That's it. Whatever applies to you, pick it. And then you hit whatnot. And then you go, they basically break it down for you. Now I can't go through all of this because I've already done this before. But anyway, it basically tells you what it is and you continue. And then it says, why do you want this EIN? You want to start a business, hire an employee, bank purposes, change type of organization, purchase active business. You want to say start a new business if that's what your purpose is. And then you go down here and you put in your information and it'll ask you about your addresses. If you have like a physical business, with a lot of entrepreneurs out there, they don't. So you just work from the house or your apartment, wherever you live. And then you'll go into details about your business. And then you'll get your EIN.